This is bad. That's what we're doing, huh?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we have a knocking Ford Ranger that I bought a couple months ago, and I've always wondered how good that Lucas oil stabilizer would be in a knocking engine. So we're gonna run to the parts store, we're gonna grab a gallon of that, we're gonna drain some oil out, pour that in, and see if it stops knocking. Well, this is the stuff that we need. 1 gallon. Back at the shop, we got some Lucas. We're gonna go check out the Ranger. First, we gotta start this thing up. It's been sitting for
a long time,
couple months. So Jetta Mountain is the mountain behind the shop. We took my TDI swapped Jetta up the mountain, right?
And it did all right. Oh! Ow! Go, go, go! To say the least.
And it did all right. And this thing rod knocks big time. Like, it knocks.
It's ready to throw a rod, is what you're saying.
Pretty much right now, it could throw a
rod.
Right now,
any first
second.
startup.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, dude! Get in before the thing actually blows up. This is bad. I don't think it's gonna make it up Jetta Mountain once.
I think it's gonna make it. You don't think it's gonna
I think it'll make it at least up once.
So, okay, let me ask you this. Are we babying it, or is it full-time trial rage? Right? If you're gonna baby it, maybe. If you go full rage, it's gonna blow up. How about this?
I beat the hell out
you
of
baby it up. If it makes it, you let me rage it up.
But I want to keep the chassis nice because I want that Ranger.
Oh, I'm not gonna crash it.
It looks like just straight honey. It's never taken me this long to pour oil in it.
It's the same.
It sounds about the same.
It sounds about the same.
Just throw, I'd say that.
You think that's enough?
Yeah, just a little bit. We only need about a quart.
I think the Lucas was thicker.
Oh boy, that's what we're doing, huh? All right, here we go. I don't know about this. I guess it's not that bad, yeah? Dude, it's gonna, something's gonna shoot out.
Oh, it's getting squeaky.
Already.
It's getting squeaky.
Oh, it's about to let loose.
Oh, it got quiet. You hear that?
I mean,
Matt, you doing all right?
Wait a minute.
Yeah. Oh, God. It stopped knocking. Barely.
Dude, it's way quieter. All right, so we're here, Jetta Mountain. She's taking it pretty good. Okay. What? This thing's kind of taking it like a champion, dude.
It feels like it's meant to be.
Yeah, seriously. Oh, you're going in the hole, are you? Oh, nice.
Did it go away? It's like,
dude, it's so faint.
It's barely just tapping. I feel like we could drive this across town. We made it!
Oh, oh, oh! Oh! Oh, my eyes! Okay. Oh! There's a cliff there, pal. Dude, she's taking it! She's taking it! Yeah, buddy! Oh my God, how was a rod not shot out?
We were at red line.
Oh, I heard it. Okay. Oh!
It's just one wheel peeling.
How is this working? How is this working?
It's quieter than it was before.
Back down?
All right, back down we go.
Do's and don'ts?
Don't kill us.
That's it. Does it work? Ooh!
Oh, we got AC.
Rod knock with AC, brother. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah! She doesn't like second.
I think the first is long enough.
weld the div.
We have to.
We have to weld the div.
Welded these spider gears together in the corner. Now we're gonna see if she does a two-wheel. See if she's chirpy. Look at that cliff right there. All right, Bailey's been dying to drive this thing on. Hit the jump a little bit. Let's see it. What do you think?
Dude, she jumped pretty good.
I mean, it looked decent. Like that was, you got at least 2 or 3 foot of air. You got like a foot of air. We wanted to see how the diff worked, and it works good.
Was the jump good?
Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad at all.
I say hit it faster.
We're about to send this thing.
Hell yeah! Don't send it too hard, bud. Don't send it too hard, dude! Don't send her too hard.
I'm good on that. I'm good. Let me out of this thing. I'm fucking
That was
good.
only like 25, dude.
I'm good.
You could go a little faster.
I'm good. Fuck that. Oh my gosh!
How was that?
That thing was like fun.
Oh god. Oh my god. Oh! Oh no! I'm fine, dude.
Yo! You're
What the heck?
That wouldn't feel.
Not bad. I just thought I was gonna keep going. It didn't want to stop.
Oh, it just did. Oh my gosh.
Leaking. It's not even leaking.
Bro, that was crazy.
We still got AC. I had it the whole time then.
That was pretty cool. How do you think it would do off the cliff?
I'll do fine. I think it might run after.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Come on, baby.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got
no gas in it. Oh my gosh.
I think we send it off the cliff.
Yep.
Right up the hill. Get ready.
Right up the hill.
All right, so we got the Ranger coming up right now. Hopefully he can make it by the, oh yeah, he's cranking. Oh, 3-wheeling, okay. They're gonna set it up right there, and we're gonna launch it off right there. Hopefully over the Mustang. If we get it over the Mustang, that's the goal today. But this is chaos. I like that, right there, baby.
3, 2, 1.
It's going. It's going. It's going slow. Okay, here we go.
Oh! No way! Yeah!
Okay, here we go.
Oh! No way!
What happened?
It broke the diff or it broke the axle. It
Wow.
broke the diff and it just stopped.
Dang.
I was expecting. Let's flip it back over and see if it runs.
Think that battery's still good?
I think it might be.
Oh, battery's still good. We need some more Lucas.
Maybe it'll start. That doesn't sound great.
You think I might have thrown a rod while I was on the limiter?
Honestly, it. Oh, look. Look. That's it right there.
Oh, there's a rod on the ground.
That's it right there.
Wow.
That's the final piece.
I say we tow it up. I think we shove it off for a final send off. I bet we could even get it faster.
What do you think about this? All right, you ready? You ready? Let's go. All right. 2, 1.
Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, bring her back up.
So the Ranger got sent off this thing. Obviously, we wished it was ripping in like Dukes of Hazzarded style up. That's what we wanted. And pretty much, we kind of wanted to make this video to have fun with our friends at the end of the day. So appreciate you guys watching this video. Let us know what you think about some Ranger content. If you want to watch a video where we built an LS swapped Ranger and a Turbo 5.0 Ranger, that video is going to be right here. See you later.